Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here, bringing you a quick tip on how to get your barbecue grates clean and ready for your next backyard barbecue. Today I'll be showing you how to clean your gunky grates using a product I've been using for a while now. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest and greatest I have to offer. My go-to product to clean my grates is Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. Watch out for this punny tagline, super clean, it's a great cleaner. I'll leave a link on the description below to both Amazon and Walmart so you can get your very own. I'm an affiliate with both companies, and every time you click on my affiliate links and get the recommended products, it really does help support my channel. First thing I like to do is scrub off as much of the gunk that has been left behind from the last cook. I place the grate in the barbecue pit so it minimizes the cleanup afterwards. I use this wire brush to really agitate the grate. A little tip here, don't forget to scrub the bottom. It tends to build up more than the top. Next, I place the grates inside the tub and use a super clean can to spray the grate from top to bottom. 1 minute later, I use a hand brush to scrub it down. Flip the grate over and repeat the process. Next, water your grate down with a hose. It's up to you if you want to use a pressure washer. For this video, I didn't use one so you could see the power of the cleaner without using any specialty tools. Now you just repeat the process until you're happy with the results. For me, after just 2 rounds of spraying the grates and letting Super Clean do its thing, you can already see the power it has. You can start seeing the shininess of the grate starting to come through. And that's it. You're ready to tackle your next barbecue with Super Clean grates. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Use those affiliate links that really help support my channel. Leave a comment down below, ask any questions, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.